D&D News, liveweatherblogs.com studio meteorology here, overnight edition. We're going to actually see possible severe weather tomorrow here on Labor Day here in Iowa, Minnesota, and Wisconsin as the jet digs down. We're going to have hail, high winds, and possibly isolated tornadoes occur. Looking at the Davidson risk factor, we're going to have about an 80% chance on that wind, 60% on the hail, and I'm going to say about a 40% on the tornadoes, mainly in Iowa and Minnesota, for the areas that I see is the best shot for severe weather. We also have a slight chance on the Gulf Coast of an isolated severe thunderstorm, so we need to watch that also. Looking at the tropics, we have two areas. One here near the has 80% tiles near the Bay of Campeche here, near the Yucatan. This is going to ride probably the coast, possibly up towards Texas. A lot of the models have it going into Mexico, though, so we have to watch that. And this area that was Gaston, still moving to the west. This has about a 60 to 70% chance. And it actually gets better if it stays west. It has a good shot of development. Also, if it goes to the north, there's two basic tracks that the models kind of split on. One taking it here to the south, one taking it a little bit further to the north, and one actually takes it south and then through the islands, putting it in the Bahamas later in the week. There's a few, so we're gonna have to keep an eye on Gaston, and if it redevelops into a tropical depression within the next 24 hours, most likely, based on what we've been seeing. Here's a few things. Here's the trough and the development trying to happen here with this low. Like I said, this will be moving in this general direction, possibly into lower upper Mexico, lower Texas. And we got what was left of Gaston. It needs to get better organized. It's been trying to show signs of development. It's in a little bit more moisture atmosphere, but the biggest problem we're going to have here is this upper level low. Always been having problems with upper level lows this year. So, and we got a stalled front here across the southeast. And the forecast through Friday, we have cold air tonight. I would say about 46 to 49, depending where you are up here in the mountains. It's going to be colder than it's going to be in for City of Roanoke. 83 for Labor Day, 88 for Tuesday, 91 for Wednesday, 86 for Thursday. Lows in the lower 60s throughout and getting into the 50s. And we're going to cool down going on Friday. And now for the Triad. 55 this evening, 86 for Labor Day, 88 for Tuesday, 92 for Wednesday, 88 for Thursday, and cool down coming also on Friday as the front comes through. Lows in this low to mid 60s and cooling down towards the end of next weekend. So what we're seeing now, it's going to be a beautiful week here in the Roanoke and Triad areas. This is D&D Davidson, liveweatherblogs.com. Stay tuned for more information from all meteorologists here at liveweatherblogs.com. Have a great evening.